everyone! Welcome back to Elexhub channel. It's another day in Elexhub Engineering Department, so it's another tutorial. Today, gagawa tayo ng SUMOBOT that follows a line gamit ang IR sensors and Arduino. Whether you're a beginner in robotics or looking for a cool project, this tutorial is perfect for you, so let's get started. So first, ano nga ba ang line following SUMOBOT? A line-following SUMOBOT is a robot that follows a predetermined path, usually a black line on a white surface. These bots are used in robotics competitions and real-world applications like autonomous vehicles and industrial automation. Ang SUMOBOT natin ay may dalawang infrared sensors sa unahan. Nakaka-detect ito ng black line by sensing the difference between dark and light surfaces. Based on their readings, the bot adjusts its motors to stay on track. If the two sensors detect white, the bot moves forward. If the right sensor detects black, the bot turns right. If the left sensor detects black, the bot turns left. Now that we understand what we're building, let's proceed to the components and wiring. Para sa components and wiring, we made a different tutorial for that para hindi masyadong mahaba ang video na ito. So I will just put the link in the description. If tapos na kayo sa connections and nabuo nyo na yung SUMOBOT nyo, let's break down the code that makes our line following SUMOBOT. So here's our code. First, we define the pins for the IR sensors. We have the A0 and A1. And the motor control, 2, 3 for left motor, 4, 5 for right motor. In the setup function, we set pins as output and the IR sensor pins as input pull-up to detect the line. The motors are initialized in the stop state. In the loop function, the IR sensors check for the line. If the right sensor detects the line, the bot turns right. If the left sensor detects the line, the bot turns left. If neither sensor detects the line, the bot moves forward. Motor speed is controlled using digital right for direction and analog right for speed. Kung tapos na kayo, upload the code to your Arduino and let's test it. So let's power up the SUMOBOT and see how it performs. As you can see, the SUMOBOT moves forward when the two sensors detect white. It turns left when the left sensor detects black. It turns right when the right sensor detects black. If your SUMOBOT isn't following the line correctly, i-check nyo yung sensor positions and calibrate them. And that's all guys! Nakagawa tayo ng line following SUMOBOT. Natutunan natin kung paano gumagana ang IR sensors and coded it step by step. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. See you sa next video. Bye-bye!